Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my spring 2020 FabFitFun unboxing. My box actually just came today and it's really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. All the butterflies, I love it. So every month they do like what they're in support of, and this month it's in support of Dress for Success. So yeah, and this is what the inside looks like. I love that color blue. And then the person this month for the cover is Gina Rodriguez. She's from like I know her from like the Fast and Furious movies, but yeah. So then there's something new, it looks like. Bite. Says you look good, but you're about to look better. Hashtag bite me. Oh, it's for teeth. It's for like crooked teeth. Straighten and brighten your smile at home 6 times faster, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, interesting. I've heard of Invisalign and what's the other one called? Smile Direct Club, I think. So I've heard of those two, but it's a new one, I guess. Interesting. All right. Then of course, HelloFresh. We all know. So then when you open it up, please. I'm not gonna lie. I looked at just the surface products, not like everything, just literally, if it doesn't fall, the stuff you see on the surface, it's all I looked at. I didn't like go digging in. So of course I have the stuff for like all members, and then like I guess I'm a select member, I don't know, but I know I get to like pick and choose every, well, however often they do it, which is usually every 4 seasons, so like 4 times a year. You get to pick and choose like a few things that you like, customizing your box basically. So I know I did some stuff customized, and of course some stuff just comes with the box. Ignore my background of like water bottles and baskets and like just, yeah, it's a whole thing. So I know I picked this amber seats, I don't know, it's just a necklace, but I thought it was really pretty, really not like dainty, but just I like the necklace. It's pretty. I'm not mad about it. And then what I saw came in here. This has a little bit of weight to it. This is from Aria Beauty. It is a Luxe Chrome. I can't get it out of the thing right now, I don't think. It's a Luxe Chrome detangling brush. Yeah, this is just, you know, the label. And then on this side, it's just what the brush looks like. So that's cool. I like the color. Could use more brushes. I have thick hair, so hey. And then these Chic and Tonic silicone straws. I actually have metal straws, like a whole like 12-pack of metal straws, but hey, I'll take some silicone straws. Blah 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 blah. Let's just see if I can. Ooh. Oh. What in the mess is that? Let's say what that is. 4 straws. Oh, 4 straws, brush cleaner, and carrying case. So you can clip them to your keys. Interesting. Oh, I guess they're bendy, so interesting. All right then. I'll get some use out of those. Skincare. And then we have the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. I picked this personally. So on the back, it says fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect. Plump skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just 1 use, supposedly. But I know Murad's actually a pretty good brand. So let me. Am I the only one that gets excited about skincare? Probably. Rub it around. Ooh. Ooh. It's not really a scent. Yeah, just rub it around. Alright. I'm excited to try it. Use AM and PM massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. I can get it back in the box. That'd be great. And then we have this. What do I want to look at next? Let's look at this thing from Winky Lux. Rainbow Balm. Ooh. I got, I know, I got a Winky Lux lipstick from my sister-in-law at Christmas, and I really like it. It's very moisturizing. Holy guacamole. Those are some colors. It's like red and orange and blue. Huh. Saying it has a scent. when I swatch it, that's how it looks. Okay, that's going to be interesting to put on. If I do it like I'm putting it on my lips, okay, I mean, it's hydrating, I know that much, so I'm not mad about it. Is that blue or is that purple? That's more purple than blue. Well, no, it's blue. Anyway, ignore me. So we have that. And then this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and mornings. Huh. This works. Isn't that this brand right here? Or I guess you could probably see it better if I do it this way. Isn't that like I don't even know what it really is, but isn't it like the wraps brand, like the belly wraps or something? I don't know. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Of course, you know, they've all got the hardest packaging to possibly get into, and I always choose to try into the packaging. I think it'd be a great idea to try when I'm doing, you know, videos and stuff. So I don't think, hold on. I have to edit this whole part out. Oh my God, it's gonna be so much work. Don't use your teeth, kids. I don't know, I can't get it open right now. I'm not gonna fight with it, but it's gonna be interesting to use this and see whatever it's supposed to do for my body. Oh, lavender, vetiver, learned that word from Aveda, and chamomile help improve sleep quality, support sleep and skin wellness at night with a 2-in-1 sleep beauty solution. Massage nightly into hands and breathe in deeply. Okay. Anything that will help me sleep right now. Almost 4 months pregnant. Anything. Then what is this? Oh, yes. Sorry, I'm really excited about this. This is I chose this Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle Treatment. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but I'm not mad. It's supposed to combat wrinkles, fine lines, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, uneven skin tone. There's, you know, a bunch of different lights. There's infrared light, red light, amber light. I'm so excited about this. I saw this and I was like, yes, I need that in my life. Oh, I can't even wait to see how much this is. Happy that batteries come with it. I am so excited to try this right now. Not like right this second, but let me take it out without jacking it up. Let me see if, hold on. This looks so cool. Oh, can you guys, if I held it the right way, you guys might be able to see the name. But it's got all the little things for the light therapy right there. And then obviously this is like power button. Maybe I could do a review on this. Yeah. Okay, so stay tuned, review coming soon. Isn't that what all the YouTubers say? Stay tuned, review. I'm a mess, and these videos are always a mess, but they're fun, and that's why I do them. And then I think, does anybody else look for more just to make sure that you're not getting gypped? The final thing I see in here, they had to really package this thing up. Oh my god. Mystery choice. Did I choose a mystery choice, or? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look and see if I did, because I don't remember. Hi. This is the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Epic C Serum Powered Trio Complex to tighten, brighten, and revitalize. Oh. The Powered Trio Complex is vitamin C in a blend of 2 cutting-edge plant technologies. Vitamin C helps protect the skin, and French plant-based ingredients helps tighten and brighten skin, scented with a hint of lemon. Alright, I'm not against. Oh god, more packaging, more obnoxious packaging. Let's just see. That kind of came off easier. Hold on. If you like lemon, oh my god. It smells like if you're someone that drinks like water with your lemon and you just get that first little lemon in there and you squirt it and you smell. Sorry, I'm a little overexcited about this. Let's pop it onto my hand here. Rub it in. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm having a moment. Just. Okay, moment's over. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. The Revive Glow anti-aging thing, and for sure I think the Murad. So anything skincare, just help me out with my skin, especially right now. My skin's not sure what's going on with it, you know, pregnancy and such. But yeah, that's everything I see. Now, of course, we must add everything up. So this is where we take a hot skippy second. So let's see, first off, I can't really calculate. Again, if you saw my last video, I record with my phone. So if you saw my last video, I was like, I need my calculator. Where's my phone for my calculator? I record on my phone, so I can't punch in numbers. Well, no, I can punch in numbers. Hold on. I have. God, as everything starts tumbling down on me. Okay, these are just gonna both have to come out because, yeah. Oh my gosh, I have not used one of these calculators. Oh my lord, I don't even know. I think it's dead. Okay, so forget that calculator. Will this one work? Well, this is. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. It's giving me instructions. I don't know about all that. Hang on. Oh wait. Okay, this might work. Let's just see. Let's see if I can get this to work. Okay. Going to the page where it talks about everything. So I was really kind of hoping I would get this LMS peptide recovery thing right here. Oh well. I'm looking, I realize, a lot at the camera and not like at y'all, so forgive me. Anyhoozle, so we have the Revive Anti-Light Therapy, $68 for that crazy contraption. So $68. And then we got the 2B Murad, that's $78 plus 78. Oh my god. And then the Amber Necklace is $50, so that's already more than the price. Then this lovely brush for $35, which isn't awful. And then I think that's everything over here. I just ripped that. Then we got the straws, which were 7A, $15, which isn't too bad. And then this crazy little thing, the little lip thing, 8A, is $18. Okay. Then we got our lovely little deep sleep body cocoon, 6A. Really? Where you at? Is $40. I think that's everything, right? Yes. Cool, cool. Adding all that up brings this box to a total. Again, these boxes are valued between anywhere from $232 to $503. This box is a grand total of $304. Total prices of everything. Total is, ooh, sorry about that, $304. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So I'd say that's pretty decent. I don't know how to make that work. Pretty decent amount. And I'm actually good with everything I got. There's some stuff I wish that like you could choose more on, I guess. Like I wouldn't have minded like, I don't know, just some stuff in here I wouldn't have really minded, but yeah, that is that. I'm excited to try everything, but of course, my 3 main skincare ingredients I'm very excited to try. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. I'll try to do a low review on this soon, or demo, I don't know, we'll see how it works. I need to learn how it works first. And yeah, that's all I have to say before I start rambling on like I always do. Thank y'all for watching this hot mess express of a video. I hope I entertain you in some way with my awkwardness. And I hope you'll subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Be cool if you did. And that's all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.